Hello, let's crochet a mini spring daisy bouquet blanket coaster together. Start with the first round. Use Susan's Family 4-ply cotton, color 2. Wrap it around your little finger, then wrap it over your index finger. Pinch the yarn tail. Since we need an adjustable magic ring, pull the yarn tail longer, wrap it over your middle finger, insert the hook, and bring the yarn through. Cast on 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over. Draw through the loop. Yarn over and pass through the first 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet stitch. Make 4 chains for the first group of double crochets and single crochet stitches. That makes 2 double crochets. Chain 1, yarn over and insert the hook through the loop. Pull through, yarn over, and pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, and pull through the last 2 loops. Chain 1, that completes 3 groups. 1 double crochet and 1 chain make up 1 group. Continue repeating to make 9 more groups for a total of 12 groups. The 12 groups are now crocheted. Tighten the yarn at the bottom. When finishing, insert your hook into the 3rd chain of the beginning chain. Take the yarn tail from before. Wrap it around the hook from back to front. Yarn over. Pull it through. The first round is now completed. Cut the yarn. Pull the yarn end through. Then weave in the yarn tail. Next, we'll work on the second round. Color 66. Take your yarn. Insert the hook into any space between double crochet. Yarn over and pull it through. Start with 3 chain stitches. Yarn over and pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, then pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. The first 3 chain stitches count as the first double crochet. Work 3 double crochets in the same space. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. 3 double crochets are now complete. Then make 2 more chain stitches. This completes 1 group of the pattern. Skip 2 double crochets and work the next group for a total of 6 groups. Work into this large space. Yarn over, insert the hook into the space, yarn over again, and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. Continue with 2 more double crochets. 3 double crochets are now done. Then make 2 chain stitches. Continue working the 3rd group in the space between 2 double crochets. Complete the remaining 4 groups on your own. The 6th group of double crochets is done. Now make 2 chain stitches. Then insert into the 3rd chain stitch of the first group. Yarn over, and slip stitch to join. You can directly fasten off the yarn and weave in the tail, or make 1 chain stitch before fastening off. The second round is now completed. Next, we will work on the 3rd round. Susan's Family 4-ply cotton in color 69. Work into this large space. Insert the hook through the hole and bring the yarn out. Make 2 chain stitches. Pull the yarn tail tight. Pinch the yarn tail at the back. Here, continue by making 6 double crochets. These 2 chains count as the first half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the hole, yarn over, and draw through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, then pull through the last 2 loops. Continue with the second double crochet. Three, 4, 5, 6. Lastly, make 1 more half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the hole. Yarn over again, and pull through all loops on the hook. This completes one group of stitches. 1/2 double crochet on each side, 6 double crochets in the middle, and the starting chain counts as a 1/2 double crochet. Repeat this pattern set 5 more times. Next, directly crochet into the large hole, yarn over, and pull through to complete the first 1/2 double crochet, yarn over again, and draw through all 3 loops on the hook. That's 1/2 double crochet. Now continue with 6 double crochets. Complete these on your own. After finishing 6 double crochet, make another 1/2 double crochet, yarn over, insert into the hole, yarn over, and pull through all loops. The second group is now complete. Let's count. 2 groups are already done. Use the same method to finish the remaining 4 groups. Once you've completed 6 groups, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and weave in the yarn tail later. Now let's work on the 4th round. Use color 15 of the 4-ply cotton yarn. Insert the hook into the hole, pull through, and bring the yarn out. Chain 1, then chain 2 more. That makes 3 chain stitches. Now chain 2 more. Yarn over and work 1 double crochet. The first group of the pattern is now complete. Next, chain 6. Then, in this position, start the second group. Begin with 1 double crochet. Then chain 2. And pull through the loops, followed by another double crochet. The second group is now complete. Continue with 6 more chains. Then, in the same hole, work the third group. Complete the remaining groups on your own. Finally, insert the hook into the third chain of the beginning chain, work a slip stitch, chain 1, and fasten off. Then, weave in the yarn tails. Next, start the 5th round with color 66. Yarn over and pull through. In this middle space, work 3 double crochets. Pull through, yarn over and come out, then chain 3. The first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet, then work 2 more double crochets. Yarn over, pull through the space, bring the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull through the last 2 loops. Continue with the 3rd double crochet. Alright, 3 double crochets are now complete. Work 1 slip stitch. Next, in this large space, work 8 double crochets. Yarn over and pull through the large space. 8 double crochets are now complete. Chain 1 more, then in the next small space, work 3 double crochets and chain 1. After that, work 8 double crochets in the following large space. Complete this section on your own. Finish with a chain 1, then slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1, don't cut the yarn, and start the 6th round. The pattern for this round is, work a double crochet in each double crochet from the previous round, and skip the chain space after each double crochet. Do not work into the chain spaces. Start with 3 chains as the first double crochet. Then work the second double crochet, and the third. Skip the chain spaces and work double crochets in all other stitches. Please finish this part on your own. After completing, slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1, then fasten off the yarn. Weave in the yarn tails. The 6th round is now complete. Insert into any stitch to continue. Chain 1. Then yarn over and pull through the same stitch again. Yarn over and draw through the loops on the hook. That's 1 single crochet. The pattern for this round is, work 1 single crochet, then chain 4, skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch, work 1 single crochet. Then chain 4 again. Skip 2 stitches, and work another single crochet. Then chain 4 again. Skip 2 stitches, and work 1 more single crochet. Repeat the pattern until the round is complete. Join with a slip stitch to the 1st stitch. Crochet the last round of leaves. In the large space, work 1 single crochet. Then chain 4. In the 2nd chain from the hook, make 1 slip stitch. Insert the hook, bring the yarn through, and then pull through the remaining loops on the hook. That's 1 slip stitch. Then chain 3. Go back to the large space and work 1 single crochet. The pattern for this round is, 1 single crochet, chain 4. Slip stitch in the 2nd chain from the hook, then chain 3. Go back to the large space and work 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern around the circle. Single crochet, chain 4. Slip stitch in the 2nd chain from the hook. Chain 3. Go back to the same large space, and work 1 single crochet. Follow the pattern to complete the crocheting. Here's a demonstration of the final slip stitch at the position of the 1st single crochet. Insert the hook, bring the yarn through, and pull it through the loop. Work 1 slip stitch, then fasten off the yarn. Yarn over. Wrap the yarn around your middle finger, and bring it over, insert the hook, and bring the yarn through. We start with 5 chain stitches. Then work 1/2 double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. Insert the hook into the 3rd stitch, pull the yarn through, and then draw it through all loops at once. That's 1/2 double crochet. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Insert the hook, pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through again. For the next stitch, work a slip stitch by inserting the hook, pulling the yarn through, and passing it through the loops. Go back to the loop and work another slip stitch. This completes 1 petal. Repeat the process to make 5 more petals. Alright, 6 petals are now complete. Cut the yarn. Leave the yarn tail a bit longer. Keep this yarn tail on the surface, and for the one below, start from here. Pull it tight. Tighten it. To crochet the flower center, split the 4 strands into 2, and use a smaller crochet hook. I'm using a 1.2 mm hook. Start with a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your finger, pass the hook through, place it under the yarn, and pull the loop through. Make 3 chain stitches. Yarn over, draw through the large loop. Yarn over again, and pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Leave the last loop on the hook, and repeat to make 4 more incomplete double crochets. 5 groups of incomplete double crochets are done, plus the starting chain, making 6 groups in total. Yarn over and pull through all remaining loops on the hook, then slip stitch once and fasten off. Pull the yarn tail tight, tie a knot at the back, and trim any excess yarn. Now we are going to start assembling. Check the video for assembly details. Apply a little glue to the flower center and attach it onto the blossom, securing it in place.